आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hi everyone, so we are given with a question which says we need to write two characteristics of a material used for making permanent magnets. And in the second question, why is the core of electromagnet made of ferromagnetic material? So let's begin with the first part of the question. So for first part, for the two characteristic of a material should be, first is it should have high retentivity, retentivity. High retentivity means, as the word suggests, retention. So that means whenever a material, let's suppose we have a material which is being placed in a magnetic field, all right, so its domain will start aligning in the direction of magnetic field. So it will get transformed into the magnet. But as soon as if we switch off the magnetic field, so it should not means its domain should not get disturbed, and it should be able to retain its domain in the same alignment. All right, so that's what we the property we call it as retentivity. All right, so it should have high retentivity. And second point is important, it should have high coercivity. High coercivity. That means it means that if the magnetic field is applied on the material in the opposite direction, so it should not get demagnetized. All right, so this material should not get demagnetized. That property we know it as to be high coercivity, that is opposition offered to the magnetic field in the opposite direction, so that its domain will not get disturbed. So with this property is known as coercivity. So the material should have these two important properties for making a permanent magnet. So this is the first part of the answer. So for the second part, we can say, why is core of electromagnetic made of ferromagnetic material? So first let's understand the electromagnet. So when electromagnets are produced when a current is passed through a coil, so it gets converted into electromagnet. All right, so ferromagnet, why the material in which we are passing the current should be of ferromagnetic material? That is because the property of ferromagnetic material, we can write it has high permeability. That is, it allows more number of permeability, that is ferromagnetic material. Ferromagnetic material has high permeability. That means it allows more number of magnetic field lines to pass through the core. All right, so we can say electromagnet formed will be more powerful. All right, so this is the reason we can say due to high permeability of ferromagnetic material, we use it in the core of electromagnet. So I hope you have understood the concept, and thank you for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।